Hi guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with some surprise incoming happy mail, and this is from my dear friend Wanda, who's Wendy Sweets here on YouTube and Instagram. She sent along some surprise birthday mail, and I wanted to come on and open it with you. I'm so excited. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, so let's get started. Oh my god, how pretty is this butterfly? You know, I really have to use my Nuvo drop some more. I love how you decorated this butterfly with the tulle underneath. So pretty. So pretty. And then we got some shred. And oh my god, what is this huge thing? Okay, so I'm gonna take this big, oh my god, Wanda, what is this? Okay, I'm gonna take this big guy out. Oh my god! Look how pretty this is. Okay, I'm gonna take this out as well. Let's see what else is here. Ooh, she stuck a pokey tool in here. How pretty. Oh my god, how pretty is this? So pretty. I love the pastel colors on this. Thank you. Oh, I love this. And she uses this digital from Polka Doodles a lot. Let me see, this is me. And oh my god, yes! Okay, so if you know, Wanda is like the card queen. I'm just gonna move this box to the side. And she makes the most beautiful cards, and you can see her beautiful Heartfelt Creations flower that she has here. I'm in love, and you've mixed Anna Griffin, Heartfelt, and god, all the details. So pretty. She's just wishing me a happy birthday. I love your cards. I'm gonna put that to the side. I got this little butterfly. I'm gonna open this little box here. And it's so cute. She decorated it with this little pom-pom. And just some flower clusters on the bottom. She's also the flower queen. Oh, she wrote here, flower centers. Oh, I wonder what that means. Oh, great. They're the gold balls. I am not going to take that out because it's going to be a glitter mess. But yes, thank you for sharing, Wanda. You packaged it so cute. I'm going to put a clip on it because we don't need glitter all over the place. And look at this beautiful wrapping. So pretty, Wanda. Oh my god. Okay, so you have this beautiful Anna Griffin. I just know she loves Anna Griffin. I love Anna Griffin too. I just don't own much of it. But I'm going to open this up. She gave me a die. Oh my goodness, woman. Squeeze this out. I want to keep the wrapping. Girl, you so crazy. So she gave me 2 tonic dies. This one's so pretty. Wow. It's a wreath. Is it a layering wreath? Oh wow, it is a layering wreath. How pretty is this? And you get the warmest winter wishes. I love this. So pretty. And then this one, it has 4 dies as well, and it says always and forever on your special day, and they are beautiful layering heart sentiments. Thank you. I'm so excited. And then let's see if I could take this bundle out. She used the most prettiest wrapping paper too. Girl, oh my goodness. Wanda, gave me a Heartfelt Creation die, you guys. No. This one's so pretty. So it is this beautiful, I don't know what that is. It's kind of like a doily, but it's such a pretty shape. And then this adorable little bridge. It says Daydream Bridge. So pretty. Can't wait to make something out of this. Wow, thank you, Fancy. So generous. And then this big bundle has been like eyeing me because it's super heavy. And I'm gonna open this up. you make me a mini album? Oh my goodness. Wanda! Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god, I'm just so taken aback. Look at this beautiful gorgeousness. Oh my goodness. So this, I've never received or actually ever made a mini album, but girl, this is so pretty. Oh god, she has like, what is that, dangles on the side? Oh, okay, that's a different page. But this applique that you use, so pretty. This little cluster of your beautiful poinsettias, and you tucked in some trims here and there. Oh my goodness, obsessed. And then just the dots on the side. I love the texture that it puts. I really need to use my Nouveau drops. This is beautiful. Oh my god, oops, the tags fell out. So pretty. I'm gonna open this. I love this as Forever Moments. And oh my goodness, Wanda. Oh my god, this is like some love, sister. Like, what? Okay, so this is the first page, and it has a little Velcro dot. Oh, I love this. And I love your use of trim all throughout. How beautiful is this? Oh mama, it's so pretty. I love it so much. And then you gave little, I guess, like pages to put pictures. Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm gonna make this my like crafty friends book. Like, it's too pretty to use for the men in my life, so I'm gonna totally use this for like friend memories and stuff that I have with you guys. Oh my god, I love this so much. What is this? Oh, does this come off? Let me see. What? Look at this little fancy flip over thing. Oh my goodness. Wow. I am such a like simpleton. I didn't know what that, it had a little trick thing that it did. Oh wow. I love this. So sturdy. Oh, and this little pocket here. This is a pocket. Oh, okay. This is just a photo mat. Love that. This is, do I open this? Okay, okay, okay. And this comes out. Oh, I love this. Oh my god, I love this so much. It's so pretty. It's like a Transformer book. You have like all these pockets that just come out. How pretty. Oh my god, you busted out all the pretty dyes and the pretty papers. I've not seen this paper pad at Michael's yet, so oh, so pretty. I love this winter collection. Oh my goodness. And is this like a tuck spot? Oh no, it's just a little fancier page to put pictures. Is this like a waterfall thing? Oh my god, so pretty. And you like matted the back as well. Wow. 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 Oh, I love that. It has a magnet. Now, I'm not sure where these... Oh, wait. I'm not sure where these little tags came from. Oh, maybe it was in this pocket. Yep, that looks right. Wanda, I love this so much. Mama, I love it so much. It's so pretty. Honestly, I heart you so, so much. You are the best. And I just wanted to show you my friend Josie, who's Josie's Crafty Place on Instagram. She had sent me this beautiful tumbler. Now, if you know me, I am a huge BTS fan. And she hand blinged this gorgeousness. I seriously have the best crafty friends, you guys. Oh, thank you so much for sending along all this birthday love. You know how much I love you guys. You guys are the best. And thank you for watching, and don't mind my little screeches of joy. I'm just really blessed by my friendship with these people. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.